Hey there, Rich Maldonado here, talking to you today about the relaunch of our airdrop campaign. As you see here, the image here. The concept is to get you guys to sign up for a free wallet. Go to our website, www.theminingcompany, fully spelled out, .club. So that's theminingcompany.club, and download a free Waves wallet and receive your airdrop coins. So with that in mind, we have not begun mining yet. The countdown is here. 31 days, 21 hours in real time to begin mining. And right now the value of the coin that we're airdropping is at 4 cents. And so the opportunity is to get in on this coin now while it is low, because as soon as we start breaking ground, that coin is going to go up. And let me now show you also that we're getting a lot of traction on the coin here. There's this website that talks about cryptocurrencies and gold. See, it's called goldscape.net, and it's a guide to gold-backed cryptocurrencies. Well, it looks like we finally made the list here. There's other ICOs. We've already passed the pre-ICO stage, and we are just still trying to finish out our airdrop. We've got to get rid of all these airdrop coins because it was written in the white paper that we're going to give away 1 million coins, and we're going to do that. So right here in this in development stage, that's where we are because we haven't begun mining yet. Dinar Durham, I'm sure a lot of my Facebook club members for the mining company are familiar with this coin. And it still says that they're in development. They're located in Hong Kong. And let's see, you got Egypt crypto coin, you got Gold Block, Carrot coin, which is pretty much doing what we're doing, but the difference is they own a smaller gold mine, and we own a gold mine that's 3 times the size and the production rate that Carrot coin is going to be putting out. Royal Mint coin right here. The Mining Company coin, it's right here. The Mining Company is a mining company in Nevada that are raising funds for a gold mine via an ICO. The mining company tokens are backed by the gold mine, so there is no set value in the token until gold is mined. So that's what's happening. The coin is at low value right now because we have not begun mining operations yet, as this review is saying. The value of the token will increase according to the mined gold. The website says it's the first cryptocurrency based asset, so obviously they're not readers of this person's blog. We are readers of this blog. That's how we found it, and we thank the gentleman for his review. But really, all these other coins are in development. We are ahead of the game, way ahead of all these other coins. Some of these coins didn't even make it. It says they're closed. There's about maybe a good 40 to 50 crypto gold coins out there, and we're ahead of Dinar Durham. We're ahead of all Carrot coin. Carrot coin hasn't even launched yet, and we got the best program. So therefore we are the first to hit the blockchain with a gold mine. Therefore we own the gold, we own the coin. No other company has done that yet, and so that's why we're saying the first. We're the first. So let me close that out. Again, back here at the gold mining company website, you can get your tokens right here. Get your wallet right there as well. There are many places to get your wallet. Right here, get the Waves platform, and now. So that is the giveaway part, airdrop. Now let's go into part 2 of the video. I'm going to show you guys in just a few steps once you receive the airdrop coins, how to use those coins to buy the MiningCo coin. Okay, so you come here. This is what it looks like when you download your wallet. You click on online beta, and it'll take you to a page where you'll log into your wallet. There it is. I've already logged into my wallet, so therefore you'll hit the dashboard like this. Go to your portfolio. You'll see how many coins you have. Now this is my own wallet, so I'm going to use the mining company coin down here to buy the gold coin, the TMCo-Gold Coin. Okay, so you go in here to the exchange system, and then this is how you read it. Okay, so with that in mind, we've now loaded up into our exchange system to buy the mining company gold coin using the airdrop coins that you guys were given. So we have to pair up these coins. Right now it's the gold coin and Waves, using Waves coin to buy more of the gold coins, but we want to use the mining company coin, which is probably this one right here. Yep. Okay, so right here, this is the mining company pairing of the gold coin, and right now the buy value is 41 coins, which is about $1.25 to buy the gold coin. So you hit buy order, and then you select any of these amounts here. So let's go with the lowest amount that we can have. Right here, this is an average cost of the coin. So there's 107 coins available at 41.89 TMC coins, the mining company coin. So go ahead and select that. I don't want to buy all 107 of them. I just want to buy 50 of them, 50 coins. So we're going to do that, and the price shows up right here. We're going to buy the coin. These coins are already loaded up, preloaded up here. So this is like going to the market right here, the stock market, the exchange. You just go down the aisle, select your pricing. It populates the coin right here. So the price of the coin is here at $41.89. There it is, 107. There's 3,000 coins available at a little bit higher price of 41.15 MiningCo coins. So let's select that, hit buy. This balance here, you're going to see change, or actually not that much. It's 480, so it should go 50 coins down. Actually no. In order for me to buy 50 of the MiningCo-Gold Coin, it's going to cost 41 coins of the MiningCo coin at 2,000 coins. So we're going to see this go down to 987. So we're going to buy it. Okay, orders created. It's going to take it down from there. See, 50 coins from 107 left 57, and this should go down to 987. There it is. You see that? So 2,000 coins were minus from my account, and there it is. That's how easy it is to buy this coin. Go back here into your wallet, check your transaction folder right here, and you will see that it's already populated. At 50 coins of the mining company coin were added to my account. I spent 2,000 of the MiningCo coin to get the gold coin. There it is, folks. Alright, we'll see you, and if you have any questions, please comment below in my Facebook where I'm going to upload it. Let me know that you've signed up for and downloaded your free Waves wallet, and then send me your wallet ID, your Waves wallet ID, not a Bitcoin wallet, not an Ether wallet. It's got to be a Waves wallet. These are Waves coins on the Waves platform. And I'll send you the coins. All right, so go ahead and comment in the comment section your wallet address, and or inbox me, and we'll get this done. All right, see you. Bye bye.